Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start with the subject social studies. The topic is the northern plains. As you all know from the previous class, the northern mountains. So these are the northern mountains and many rivers originate from this northern mountains. Okay, and as the rivers are flowing, it carries along with it something which is called as silt. Now what is silt? Silt is a very fertile soil which is being carried by the rivers, okay, as they are flowing, and they contain sediments. Okay, sediments is nothing but the mud which settles down in a liquid or in water. Okay, so what does the water carry from the northern mountains? It carries the silt, which is a fertile soil. Okay, now as the rivers are flowing, they all settle down on the northern plains. Now these northern plains, which is in green color, as you can see, okay, all this area is the northern plain. Okay, the northern plains start from Punjab in the west till it goes on and it goes till Assam in the east. Okay, so it starts from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east, and in between this there are many states which you will come across. You can come across Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, so the northern plains are spread through all these states. So all these states will have very fertile soil. Now why do the northern plains have fertile soil? As you know, they have the sediments of silt. Okay, so this area is very fertile. Fertile means the land which is very good for growing crops. Okay, so and it has got irrigation also. Now irrigation means lot of water supplied to grow the crops. So it is a farming land. Okay, and it is also known as food bowl of India. Northern plains are known as food bowl of India. Okay, can you see all these lines here, all the blue color lines? All these represent the water bodies. You will come across a word here called as basin. Now what is a basin? An area drained by a river and its tributaries is known as a basin. Now in your house also you must know there is a wash basin. Now why it is called a wash basin? Because you are washing hands in that. Yeah. So the dirt along with the water is passing through the wash basin. In the same way, basin is an area where the water is drained from the rivers. Okay. And tributaries means there are many small rivers which join the bigger rivers. These are called as the tributaries. Did you follow? Okay. Now we are having in the northern plains, so there are three river basins. Okay. Sutlej river basin. Then in the west is Sutlej river basin. In the middle it is the Ganga river basin. And in the east we have Brahmalakutra river basin. So now we are going to study about each river basin. The Sutlej river basin. First we will start with Sutlej. The Sutlej river basin, its source means it will start. It starts from Tibet. Okay, and from the west of Tibet. Okay, it starts from the west of Tibet. It goes along the Kailash Parvat, okay, or Kailash mountain, and then it flows through the northern plains, okay, near Punjab and Haryana, and then it goes and joins the Indus and goes to Pakistan. Okay, it flows like that. It will start from Tibet, it goes through all the places, and then it will come to Haryana and Punjab, and then it will join the Indus in Pakistan. Understood? Okay. And here there is less rainfall. Okay. Due to less rainfall, they have constructed a dam here which is called as Bhakra Dam. Like for example, in our houses, if we need more water, we store the water in a sump tank and also in the tank which is on the terrace, so that if there is no water, you can utilize the water from the sump. In the same way, if the country is having less water for agriculture, they will make use of this dam. Okay, and dam is also used for generating electricity. Okay, and it is also used if there is no rainfall, the farmers will use water from this dam to cultivate the land. Did you understand, children, about Sutlej Basin? Okay. Next we will go to the Ganga river basin. Now this Ganga river basin, it is where it is situated? In the middle. Okay. It is in the middle of the northern plains. River Ganga is the most important river in the northern plains because throughout the year the river will be flowing. So it is called a perennial river, and you will have lot of rainfall in this area. And from where has this Ganga river originated? As you all know from the previous lesson, from the Gangotri glacier. When the glaciers means what? Ice, moving ice. So when this moving ice melts, then you will have the water river, that is the Ganga river. Okay, so the Ganga river flows down to Uttarakhand, okay, from the mountains to Uttarakhand, and then it will pass through the northern plains. And it flows across states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, and Ganga later, no, when it is flowing after that, it will split into two. That is called, one river is Hooghly river, another river is Padma. Okay, and both this river will flow into the east. Now what is the water body there? It is Bay of Bengal. Okay, and they will all flow, and Hooghly river also will flow into the Bay of Bengal. So Padma and Hooghly river both will go into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, next we will come to, okay, now Ganga and Brahmaputra. Ganga and Brahmaputra river both will join, yes, and they will form delta in West Bengal. Ganga and Brahmaputra river together form the largest delta in the world. Okay, and it is known as Ganga Brahmaputra delta, and most of this delta is found in Bangladesh. Okay, it is found in Bangladesh. Next we will go to Brahmaputra river basin. Can you see here Brahmaputra river basin? Yes, this is Brahmaputra river. Okay, river Brahmaputra is the largest river of the northern plains. Now why it is largest river? Because it starts from Tibet. Okay, in Tibet it is known as Sanpo. In their language it is known as Sanpo. As it is passing, and when it will enter inside India through Arunachal Pradesh, then they will give, here in India it is called as Brahmaputra. Okay, so what is it called in Tibet? Sanpo. And what is it called in India? Brahmaputra. Okay, now the river flows through Assam. It will flow through Assam and enter Bangladesh. As you all know, Bangladesh is our neighboring country. Okay, it is one of our neighboring country, and most of its delta is formed in where? In Bangladesh. Okay, so Ganga and Brahmaputra delta, before they will flow into Assam, and then they will go into the Bay of Bengal. Understood, everybody? Okay. So today you all have come across so many things. Yes, you know Sutlej river basin, Ganga river basin and Brahmaputra river basin.